Good evening, sir. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Hello, am I audible? Hello.
Yeah, you're audible, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Good evening, sir. Hello.
Sir, I have one question. Sir, 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 I wanted to ask you one question. Hello, 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 sir. Hello, can you hear me? Hello, hello, sir. Hello, can you hear me, sir? Hello, can you hear me? Hello, hello,
Can you hear me?
hello, hello, can you hear me, sir?
Yes, I can. We can hear you. You can hear us? Okay.
Hello, sir, can you hear me? Sir, I'm Tejal speaking. Can you hear me? Yeah, can you please go back to the previous slide where you were giving? Sir, I wanted to ask you that, huh, your screen is not visible. Yeah, visible. Sir, I wanted to, yes, yes, it is visible. I wanted to ask you in the third diagram that you made, why did you put the cross in the common area of three circles and why not the circle overlap between these philosophers and teachers?
Because the third, shall I answer? Yeah, yeah, because some thinkers are teachers. Yeah. Because the third,
Huh.
because the third premises which is given is some thinkers are teachers. So some thinkers are teachers. Matlab this overlap area which is there is some thinkers are teachers, but they haven't told that some philosophers are teachers.
Sorry, I didn't get
Why
you.
this
The
area is
the
crossed?
premises is some philosophers are teacher. The cross could have been also put in the blue common area, right? Because it is the overlap between philosopher and the teacher. So is it a hard and fast rule? Okay. Yes, yes. Okay. Even that small blue part is required, right? Where we can put the X, at least one element. Correct, na, sir? Okay. Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Chandranath, I want to understand one thing. See now, the question which is asked is basically they have given premises, and the question is that whether the premises is valid or not. Correct? Yeah, because I got confused because okay, okay. Now I got it. Yeah, yeah, correct.
The valid conclusion. Saroj. Saroj.
It's valid because some eagles are not. Yeah, some eagles are not fish, and no fish are birds basically. So that is why the eagles, because eagles and birds, uh, there is no correlation between both of them in terms of. Yeah, yeah, you. But one thing, Chandranath, I understand that whether this bird will be, see, because no fish are birds. Okay, there is no correlation between fish and birds, right? And no eagles. Some eagles are not fish. Okay, so I think only eagle and fish will overlap. Birds will not overlap with both of them as a diagram. Don't you feel so? A is not. It's not negative.
So some means cross, cross.
Yeah, yeah, it seems to be valid.
cross between MB and there is a cross between B and R overlapping portion in the area. So B only conclusion 2.
Conclusion one.
Sir, B.
There is no shaded area, only cross. तो conclusion 1 तो हो ही नहीं सकता.
Sir, is there any mistake or uh, error in the question because there are four objects mentioned: bottles, cups, glasses, saucers.
So actually, it's the conclusion follows those statements and bottles or glasses. Bottles or glasses.
All statements follows. Conclusions follows.
Bottles or glasses or cups or saucers.
A.
Sir, according to the rule of the Venn diagram, first we have to include the shaded area, like universal part first, and then we switch over to the uh, uh, some some parts, some premises.
All all No.
No, sir.
This will happen. That is, this is incorrect. The third is correct. Yeah, for as per model students. The last, yeah, modus ponens. Last one is modus ponens. Modus ponens. Lalita is dead. Second one.
Lalita is dead.
Yeah, I want to try. Yeah, I said B is the answer. Yeah, B is the answer. Why? Because um, yeah, so COVID first premises which statement which is given that COVID virus infects a person and it is infectious. Okay, if another person is in contact, if another person is within 2 meters, he or she will inhale and get infected. An infected person over the age of 60 will die within 15 days. The third statement and what is asked later for the conclusion based on the fourth statement, that is 15 days back, Ajay was infected with COVID 19. So, as Ajay was infected with COVID 19, the 60, 70-year-old lady Lalita will also be infected because she was 60, 70-year-old, and it is already given in the statement that above 60-year will die in 15 days. That is why Lalita is dead. And none of the statements, and none of the statement is talking about any recovery over here. If at all it would have spoken, any statement would have spoken about recovery, then probably Ajay has recovered would have also come.
Sir, none of the above.
Yes, sir. None
No,
of the above.
none of the above. Because yeah. Sorry. Carry on. Yeah, same. Yeah, yeah. First I felt that Lalita is not infected can be an option. Then when I see to the statement, which is the last statement after statement three, what is told that she is a 70-year-old lady and um, uh, like what conclusions can you draw, because anybody who is 60 years old will die within 15 days. Okay, so definitely because of this statement Lalita is not infected also becomes invalid, and Ajay has not been infected anyways, and it is invalid because the statement 4 itself says Ajay was not infected. Yeah, so that's not the answer, so none of the above.
So this is a case of modest. So this is a case of if we consider the case of modest tolerance, then not A will imply not B. So none of the above. That's why.
Logically, actually, because when many statements are there, we get tend to get confused when we use modus tone. Logic. Form.
Sir, B.
Answer is C, sir. Ajay was not infected when they were Ajay was not infected when they were small.
No, the answer is B, because in the statement 2, why not C? Because in the statement 2, it is written that if another person is within 2 meters without protection, and he'll inhale the droplets, he'll get infected. So Ajay was not infected when they were on the lift. Becomes invalid. B could be the answer. B. I don't think so. This is the right answer. Not B, then not A. Yeah, because the statement 2, because Chandranath, the statement 2, which says that if another person is within 2 meters without protection, he or she will inhale the droplets and will get infected. Okay. So, with that statement 2, if we see the statement 4 that Lalita has not died in the past 15 days, then um, Lalita has not been infected in past 15 days. That should be the answer. Ajay was not infected when they were on the lift. The statement 2 gets invalidated.
Maybe she is infected, but she is not die. Exactly.
Okay, so yeah. Yeah, so actually, statement 3 and statement 4, which is there, no, they are interrelated. See, an infected person over the age of 60 will die within 15 days. That is what is said there. So basically, because Lalita has not died in past 15 days, that is why, if not A, as you said. So basically, this is a case of if not A, if not B, Then not A, the first statement of Ajay, which is there, na, to make the person. So that is why Ajay is not being infected. Okay. This is modus tollens. Modus tollens, not A. Yeah, actually, see, if not B, then not if not, basically this is not B, not A. So that is how I Ajay was not infected. Actually, this has to be concluded based on modus tollens only, because there is no logic of statements wherein of Lalita and Ajay. Lalita's statements has been, see, when we see the third statement that 60 years will die within 15 days, but here it is said that Lalita has not died in past 15 days, so this has not happened. So the B has not happened, so that is why A would not have happened. That is the statement what. So maybe C. Yes. She was not infected. Yes, yes. Yeah, 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 that is correct actually. If she has not died, that doesn't mean that she is not infected. Yes. But what why I said that statement earlier that B might be correct, because again they have said one more thing. Na, an infected person over the age of 60 will die within 15 days. So that is what the confusing. Uh-huh. So she might be infected. Uh, because it is written, if it would have been if it would, yeah, it would have, if it would have been Lalita has been infected in past 15 days, then I think that would have also been an answer. Then it is told that it has not been infected in 15 days. If it would have been the other way around, then it would have been an answer again. Yeah, both will be the answer, because if not A, then not B, and second one also, if not been not has. Yeah, yeah, yes. Thank you.
Sir, if Lalita is above 60 years, then it is compulsory to die within 15 days. Hello, hello. If Lalita is above 60 years, if Lalita is above 60 years, then it is compulsory to die within 15 days.
But the conclusion is asked based on the statement 4,
But
that
the
which is.
statement 4 said
uh,
that Lalita is not died in the past 15 days, means it shows that in second means it shows that the Ajay is not infected when he was in the lift. It is the conclusion. C is the conclusion. Yes. Thank you.
Can you put on the screen, please?
Answer is B, sir. Lalita is not infected.
The Is it D?
So the answer is D. D. Last one. No, sir, the last one. Yes.
Lalita would have died because of some other reason. So we cannot say that Lalita is not infected.
Yes, sir.
She would have died. So B, I was
So
thinking,
Lalita has died because of other reason also.
yeah, that is one. Then Ajay was infected when they were on the lift. Yeah, Ajay was infected when they were on the lift. So none of the statements which are above tells that, um, or there is a correlation between the statement 4, which tells that Ajay was infected when they were on the.
Sir, but are we using,
Because the
hello?
statement is Lalita
Hello?
has died. Lalita has died yesterday doesn't mean that she has died because of COVID only. So that is why Ajay was infected when they were on the lift. Could be a
Yes, sir.
wrong statement. Like it will not be a right answer.
Sir, I was asking,
Uh,
I was asking that which method are we using, modus tollens or modus tollens here?
Logic.
so this is
Hello?
we have to use if A then B here.
Hello?
Sir, here we are using modest tolerance. Not B, then therefore not A.
If A then B.
No, no. Here they have given the statement B. Lalita has died yesterday. So it is statement B. Statement one is has
Yes, sir.
died yesterday
In the
means
case
the
of
result
modest
they are giving.
tolerance,
If A then B. So we cannot
B.
say
Yeah.
otherwise B then A. If B then A, we cannot say like that. This is modus ponens only. So this is
Opponents.
only if A then B. If not B, then not A. These two are the only possible things we have to think. So they have given the B statement here. Uh, this is they have given the B statement here. That is Lalita has died. Other way it is not possible. So that none of the above is the answer for this.
Sir, how are we using modus tollens here? Hello?
Opponents.
yes, sir. Disponents.
Sir, if we are using modus ponens, then what are the statement A and B?
Ajay and Lalita has met together. Ajay and Lalita has met 15 days back in the lift is the statement A. If Ajay and Lalita has met in a lift 15 days back, then if they are infected, then Lalita will die in 15 days. Isn't it? The statement one is Ajay was infected, they have met 15 days back in the lift. So then Lalita will die after 15 days. So A, B, but they have given the statement B here. B is Lalita has died, they have given. So then we cannot assume that they were infected when they have met 15 days back because modus tollens says that If B, then A, it is not possible. If not B, Lalita has not died yesterday, it means that they were not infected 15 days back. Not. If otherwise you are trying to say that from spread, if B, then A. Yeah. So only that not A. That is stolen. But they have given if B, Lalita has died, they have given the statement B. Ah, then you cannot go back to A like that. 15 days back they were infected. It is not the modus tollens or modus ponens. Modus ponens is if they are infected and met 15 days back, then they will die. Then Lalita will die after 15 days. If A, then B.
Then
But we
B.
cannot say if B, then A. So if not B, then not
The
A.
same method,
Ah,
yeah, yes, Dr. Sridham, I have understood what you're trying to say, but same logic we
yeah.
didn't apply when we were solving the previous question, right?
No, those were Venn diagrams. No.
They were not Venn diagram actually. So we
There also we
like if
applied.
not B, then if not A.
But I have not
No,
attended class
it
specific.
was speaking about Lalita, right? And here we have derived the conclusion.
Ah,
Yeah, we
here,
have
here
derived
also,
the conclusion regarding Ajay.
they,
This was the
here they
precondition
have given,
required for the statement for to be true, right?
So here also
here
So
we
they
like,
have
how will
placed the
we come to
modus
know that
tollens.
in this method?
Stolens we have used here. Modus
I
Modus
Stolens.
agree.
tollens
I
they have used.
agree.
Not
Yeah,
B
I
and not
agree
A.
that. Yeah, they have. I agree that 100% we have applied here modus tollens, but here the
Hmm.
confusion would have been regarding Lalita and not about Ajay. So in this case, B option should have been correct and not C.
No, but it is written that Lalita has not been infected in past 15 days, whereas the statement 4 is telling that Lalita has not died in past 15 days. So they both are contradictory. They are not,
Correct.
there's no logic to it actually. So that is why B is not the
Not
answer and C is
died.
the answer, because if not B, if Lalita is not
The
died in
modus
past 15 days, that is why Ajay was not infected on the lift when they were on the lift.
this should have been like D statement as Lalita died in past 15 days. Okay, so not B means Lalita has not died. So not A would have been Lalita was not infected. Here we are adding another situation where she could have died because some other reasons. This should have been regarding Lalita only, according to statement 3.
Why the question answer is not
I feel
B
that
because
few questions we are solving regarding with respect to models and colons and few questions we are using our common sense. Difficult
no.
to
Both
Here
the
interpret.
also
things
it
are
is.
there actually. Modus tollens is also there, and our logic is also there, because modus tollens, because why not be what Chandranath has told earlier. If not B, then not A. So based on that, it is modus tollens. And when you look at the statement also, no, there is a logic wherein when it says that Lalita has not died in past 15 days, that doesn't mean that Lalita has not been infected. She would have been infected, but she didn't die in the last 15 days, is the statement for. So we have to equally use our logic and modus ponens and tollens. That is what I think. Chandranath thinks.
The answer is not B because they have given a 15 days of gap, isn't it? There should be a completion of 15 days. So if she has infected 5 days back, for example, we have to wait till another 10 days to confirm it, isn't it? So that is the reason why answer B is not the answer. Lalita has not been infected in the past 15 days, means she may have infected a 10 days back. So then this statement of after 15 days she has not died means it is not because of she has infected in between. Only we can confirm is when they have met in the lift. Ah, if she has infected after meeting in the lift, after 5 days after meeting in the lift, we cannot confirm till now here because we have to wait another 5 days. Whether she has infected in between or not, we have to wait another 5 days to confirm it, isn't it? The 15 days gap is there. That 15 days only completes when they have met in the lift. From there to now, it is completely 15 days. Only we can say that when they have met, he was not infected. If she was infected, she would have died. So she will not be infected because she has not having the infection. He might have the infection that has been transferred to her, so that we have to wait 15 days. So they have given the time period of 15 days. Now she has not died means he was not infected.
Yeah, so in this problem, we are using our logic and not actually the method of modus tollens. So, like, it's difficult when to apply our logic and when to apply modus tollens and modus tollens.
No, no, it is modus
Few answers are
ponens.
correct using
Modus
this
tollens.
method, few answers are correct using our logic.
I think it is modus tollens only. What I feel, because we have to
Had it
modus
been
tollens
modus
only.
tollens, then B should have been correct. But still, we are
No, no, no.
going one step behind. Since Lalita was not infected, that means when she was in contact with Ajay, Ajay was not infected. So means we are going one step back.
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
Okay, so thank you.
C. Overlapping. Yeah. Second one. So yeah. Some.
So excluding one, all are true. All are valid. So last one is also not true actually. I've been confused between sea creature and like eggs. Yes, yes, sir.
C. Chandranath. Yeah, no, Chandranath, see, as this will be a multiple choice question. No, why? Because if some sea creatures lay eggs and it overlaps, then some do not lay eggs, right? Because it is overlapping. So both the statements are correct. No, B and C. Because if see what is written, some sea creatures are mammal. Okay, that is a completely right, that some are not mammals are not sea creatures, the first one goes off, that is correct. Then second one, some sea creatures lay eggs. So if you see sea creature and egg Venn diagram, there is an overlap, and some is the shaded area, some is unshaded area. So if some lay eggs, then some doesn't lay egg, right? Because because when they overlap, some will and some will not. So I think B and C both will be the answers, because it's a multiple choice question. No? This one. No, my logic is some creatures they lay egg. So when you say some creatures lay egg and they are overlapping, so some will not, right? Some sea creatures will not lay eggs. If some are there, then some will not, right? So B and C both will come, no? It's from So it is said that some creatures lay egg. I understand that there is an overlap, then some lay egg, but there is no there is unshaded region also. So some will not lay egg. So both will come, no? B and C.
Sir, what is the answer?
See, yeah, because I feel that in the Venn diagram, if some shaded portion is there, that means some legs, some sea creatures legs. But the unshaded portion also says its story that some do not lay eggs. So B and C both will be the answer, I feel. And some unshaded is also there, though they overlap, that some sea creatures, when it is said that some sea creatures are mammal and no mammals lay egg, and no mammals lay egg. So when that is, I don't know, and I think it's a multiple choice question also, because when they give blocks, they usually mean to say that shaded portion means like legs. Your shaded portion means. Mhm. I understood the other way, that if something is overlapping with the sea creature and the egg, that means some sea creature lay eggs when it is overlapping. When it is overlapping, so shaded means some creatures lay egg. Okay, and some sea creatures do not lay egg. So you want to see because it is overlapping, so that is why nullified. Hmm. I got it. Then the answer will be C only. C only. Okay. Yeah, yeah, I understood the shaded portion.
Sir, where have you put the cross for the second premises? No mammoth leg. Hello? Hello? Yes, I can hear
Yes,
you.
yes,
I
sir.
for some time I lost it, sir, due to network issues.
A, first one.
Which of the following is good and relevant to title structure is and A or B? Okay. Yeah, deductive logic. B. Of the premises. Yeah. Yeah. Rest of the rest of the problems we can discuss because this will take time.